Hi everybody! Welcome back to our channel. Guys, as you know, we try to give you guys tips on health, on travel, on anything we can help you with. Something that I'm kind of obsessed with is white teeth. I mean, who isn't? It just makes you look younger, it makes you look healthy, it makes you look really good looking.
Maybe not enough.
Some guys need all the help they can get, right? Guys, I found the perfect product. There's a lot of stuff out there, but I found something that I think is really going to interest you. So, stay tuned.
Yes, don't miss it. It's free.
Now guys, don't forget this is a giveaway. Yes, it is Freebie Friday and Smile Brilliant is going to be giving away something awesome. So stay tuned to the end of the video to find out what it is and what you have to do.
Okay guys, so can you believe that you can get the equivalent of like dental whitening shipped straight to your door for you to do at home?
Wow, that's cool.
And obviously it will be a lot cheaper than a dental whitening. So I'm really excited. We actually have not opened the package that we have got. Okay, we just snipped the tape, and so I wanted to show you guys that if you chose Smile Brilliant, how all the product would come in the box. And so basically what this video is going to be us unboxing, showing you how the system works, and then we're going to cut. And then you won't see us for a while, because in the video you will see us right away. But basically we're going to disappear, we're going to make our teeth molds, we are going to whiten our teeth.
How long does that take? How many weeks is the whole process?
Well, to whiten your teeth they say 7 to 14 applications, and you should apply it every night.
So like 2 weeks?
So yeah, approximately 2 weeks. But then we also have to send off our molds and have our gum pieces. So
it's like a custom mold for your teeth. That's pretty cool.
Exactly. And so basically you guys will see at the end of the video how our outcome is. If our teeth came out whiter, and what you think. So we'll do a close-up of our mouths just now so you can see what these chompers look like. And then after the whitening, if they're whiter and how much whiter.
You can be the judge.
Yeah, and also what I really love is we're going to show you now what you get. So if you order this, and obviously it's a double kit because both Claude and I are doing it. So if you did it just for one, then you would get the single.
I love this. Smile fearlessly.
Yes.
Really, really cool.
Tell you, when you think about that smile. It's
really cool, but it makes me nervous. When you have white teeth, you are more confident. You just are more confident. And especially us, you know, being on YouTube and taking pictures and things like that, I feel that the whiter my teeth are, the more confident I am. Not that I have confidence issues to begin with.
Not yet, Claude. Okay, so let's see what's in this pack.
I'm seeing these two things, Louise.
I'll pop it down and pass you.
So,
so this is the teeth whitening gel, and this is the desensitizing gel.
Okay.
I think once we've done the process, we'll explain to you exactly how we use these items. So that you know. But I believe you need to do the desensitizing gel just to help your teeth from not feeling
Because I've had that before.
Yes.
I've tried to whiten my teeth before, and I have had very sensitive teeth.
It can
during the process.
Yes, but apparently it does not damage your teeth.
Oh,
even though it feels sensitive, it's not damaging.
Okay.
And then this is the teeth whitening gel. So I'm guessing this is probably what you
put inside the mold.
In the mold that goes in your mouth.
That's nice.
Nice. Okay, so we have two kits. Let's show you what the kit looks like inside.
I shall assist you, my dear.
Thank you. Very gentle.
Whoa.
Okay, so I mean, I think this looks pretty awesome because it looks pretty simple. Look, step 1, make your dental impressions. Step 2, our lab crafts your trays. And step 3 is whiten. So that sounds pretty straightforward to me.
Whiten and relax.
And relax. But
I like the relax part.
I don't relax. Not part of my vocab.
Guys, I've seen this stuff before in the dentist. It's like that paste, you know, it's almost like Play-Doh. They put it in your mouth and they tell you to bite down. You can feel it squishing between your teeth. I'm sure you've experienced something like that. They give you these in the kit, and this is what you'll make your mold from.
Yeah, so there are fill instructions inside, and apparently it's pretty straightforward. So just follow the instructions, bite down, do your molds, and then ship them back to the company, and they will create your teeth
I see there's an envelope inside with their address.
Yeah, with the shipping.
So you just pop it in and it's no, you know,
I love this, no stress. Look, so I'm gonna pretty much do mine today and right after this video, then I'm gonna go ship them straight out. And I love that it's kind of easy, you know? I am pretty excited to see how we're gonna look. So guys, we're gonna come back in a few teeth whitening sessions, 7 to 14. So I'm guessing you can think like when you're happy with the whitening of your teeth. And then we will show you how we look. Let's do a close-up of our current situation in our mouths.
It's nasty.
Oh, that sounded scary. No, the color of our teeth.
Okay guys, this is just to prove that there are no Photoshop tricks or anything. I don't even know how to do tricks on the videotaping. My expertise do not go that far. So this is how my teeth really look. I'm gonna focus in for you. Okay. That's as white as they are. So let's see if they can get whiter. What do you think, guys? Do you think it looks good? I noticed a remarkable difference and I only used it for a few weeks. Now, something that I have done before is use something similar to this, and the problem I had then was that my teeth got so sensitive that I had to stop. Now that's what's really great about these desensitizing gels, is that the second you start to feel, that feels a little uncomfortable, that's a little bit sensitive, you start applying this inside your mold and it will desensitize your teeth, so then you can continue on with the process and the procedure. I was super impressed with this, and Louise was too. But now, you might be asking, okay, well, where's Louise's teeth? We want to see. Here is the thing, here is the giveaway. So listen up. Smile Brilliant is giving away $149 credit on their website, so you or somebody you love can get their own teeth whitening kit done. Really cool, right? But there are a few things you have to do. Check the video description box down below and you'll see there is a special link, and that is exactly what you must click on to enter. Also, go look at Louise's teeth. See how lovely they came out in her last 2 videos. Go check those 2 videos out, like and comment on the video, and you are then automatically entered for the giveaway. We have also partnered with Smile Brilliant, and they are offering a 15% discount code that you can find in the description box down below of everything on their website. So go check that out, guys. You can save some awesome money and get a really cool white smile like mine. We want to thank Smile Brilliant for partnering with us on this awesome giveaway. We love their product. We've tried a lot of different things out on the market, and this has got to be our favorite so far. So go check them out. Putting links down below to their website and their social media. Go check it out. Guys, thanks for watching. Tune in during the week for another video and keep smiling. Bye-bye.